Hey guys, it's Vitaly Dubin here, and in this short video tutorial I'm going to show you step by step exactly how to set up a brand new account with Cloud Token and how to activate the Jarvis AI project inside the app so you start earning rewards in Cloud Token on a daily basis, which turns out to be about 6% to 10% a month on the cryptocurrency that you hold inside the Jarvis AI project, because they're trading on that Bitcoin, on that Ethereum, on 32 exchanges. And I also want to show you exactly how to use the app and walk you through everything. So first of all, to download the app, you go to cloudtokenwallet.com. This is the official website and the only website you should go to download the app. Okay, cloudtokenwallet.com. Now, if you're using Apple, then you simply click on iOS and download the app from the App Store. And if you're using Android operating system, then you simply choose Google Play and download it from the Google Play Store. Now, the Cloud Token app has already been downloaded as of July 1st, 2019, over 400,000 downloads, and it's growing every single day. Okay, you can alternatively choose and click on Android and download the APK file into your phone, okay, and just then in the settings choose to download it from the unknown sources, allow the installation from unknown sources. And sometimes the Android newest version first go to Android APK file and then it's uploaded in Google Play and iOS. So now, as you downloaded the Cloud Token Wallet app, the first thing you want to do is click on Create Account on the login screen. And then you want to type in the referral code of the person that invited you to Cloud Token. Okay, so you simply click on here and it should be somewhere on this page, or it was given to you in the PDF instruction or somewhere on the website, or in person. You type in the referral code. And then you simply click on Proceed. On this screen, you want to set up your login PIN that you'll be using every time you're going to log in into the Cloud Token Wallet app. Now, please use 8 or more characters with a mix of letters and numbers, and include at least one number and one lowercase letter and one uppercase letter. Okay, so go ahead and create the login password and make sure that you write it down on a piece of paper so you can refer to it later. And then you click on Next. On this screen, you want to set up your payment PIN. It should be 6 digits, and you will use the payment PIN every time you're going to make any financial transaction in Cloud Token, like activating the Jarvis AI project, or transferring Cloud Tokens from one account to another account, or converting Cloud Tokens into Ethereum, etc., etc. Okay, so go ahead and choose your payment password now of 6 digits, write it down on a piece of paper, keep it in a safe place, and then click on Next. Now on this screen, this is very, very important. This is the backup mnemonic phrase. Those are the 12 words that you will be using in case that you forget the login password or the payment PIN, or you need to reset your Google Authenticator. Okay, this is like the door to your account inside Cloud Token. It's very important that you write it down on a piece of paper and keep it in a very safe place, because if somebody can get access to those 12 words, they can actually get access to your account and to your money potentially. Okay, once you wrote down all of those 12 words mnemonics, you click on the next button, and now on this screen you want to take each of these words and you want to put them in the right order. Alright, make sure that you have written it all down in the correct order, you verified it, and now you click on the done and you move on to the next screen. Now on this screen, you want to make sure that you have all these following details stored in a secure place. Make sure that you write down your login ID of your new account. Make sure that you write down your PIN, your payment PIN. Okay, login and payment PIN. Make sure that you write it down. You can take a screenshot of it if you want, but it's best to write it down on a piece of paper and keep it in the safe place. Once you have it written down, next you can click on the login button. Now here, once you're inside the Cloud Token Wallet app, I want you to notice a couple couple of things. First of all, once you click on those 3 lines, it will open up a little menu over here, and you can see your 16 digits login ID. Okay, you can also click on this QR code and it will show you just like this, in case that you can copy it if somebody wants to transfer you cloud tokens or something like that. This is where you use it. And also this is probably going to connect to your debit card that will be launched in the very near future, sometime in August or September in 2019, for people who are qualified for holding the debit card, which you can use to convert the CTOs, the cloud token, into dollars and fiat currencies, bridging the gap between the crypto and the fiat space. Now here you also can see your referral code, okay, and there is a button you can click to copy the code. This is the referral code that you want to use when you promote the cloud token project, so you can earn the rewards from the rewards program for sharing about the cloud token opportunity with your network. Now here you can see the CTO, and its current price is 0.4688. It is tied to the USDT. Okay, it's fluctuating just a little bit, and the price is determined by a couple of factors: how much profit they made overall in cloud token, how many cloud tokens in circulations, and what is the withdrawal rate of the users. Now you can see that currently Cloud Token Wallet app supports Ethereum, USDT, ERC20 token. Okay, that is $1 exactly. Bitcoin, Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash, TrueUSD, and Doge. Okay, so the first thing that you want to do, even before that you deposit the Bitcoin, is you want to click on the settings. Now you can go to the settings here, or you can also go to the settings over here. Now when you click on the settings, you can see that you can change your login pin, change your payment pin, set up the language, okay, set up the card login in order to log in to the app with your card. And you can see your mnemonic phrase right now, and also the Google Authenticator. Now this is what you want to do right now, is set up a Google Authenticator. This is an extra layer of security. So you click on it and then you activate. You will use the two-factor authentication with the Google Authenticator every time that you have any financial transactions, like moving cloud tokens from one account to another account, or converting cloud tokens to Ethereum, loading up and topping up your debit card and stuff like that. Okay, so you click on activate, and now you enter your payment pin. So on this screen, this is how you enable the Google Authenticator, and you bind the Google Authenticator to the Cloud Token Wallet app. Now make sure that you write down this code safely on a piece of paper, and you can do a screenshot right now of the screen so you have it on your phone as well. Okay, so if you have not downloaded yet the Google Authenticator app, you simply go to the Play Store or the App Store, you type in Google Authenticator, okay, and this is the app, and you open it. Now inside the cloud token, you simply click on copy, and it will copy this key, all right, and then it's copied to clipboard, and now you go here and you type in on plus, and you enter the provided key. You give it a name. It should be cloud token, and maybe like the 4 last digits of your account, and then you paste your key, and it's time-based, and click on add. Now every 30 seconds this code is going to change, so you simply go here to cloud token, okay, and it's copied the key, and you put it over here, paste, and now you click on activate. Okay, activate. So now it says Google Authenticator is enabled. All right, so now as you have your Google Authenticator enabled, what you want to do now is you deposit and transfer Bitcoin or Ethereum or any of the supported cryptocurrencies of the wallet into Cloud Token, so that you can deposit them into the Jarvis project. Okay, let's say you choose BTC. So on Bitcoin, you will simply click on receive, all right, and it will show you the Bitcoin address. Now this is the address. It starts with the number 3 usually, okay, and you can copy it. Now, if you have not bought Bitcoin yet, this is what I want to do here, is go and buy Bitcoin using credit card or bank wire or in cash, okay? And this is the address that you give to the exchange or to the person or to the entity that you buy the Bitcoin from. Or if you already have Bitcoin inside your other wallet, you simply transfer it regularly to this address, okay? So this is what I want to do, is copy it and then transfer the Bitcoin here. Now, very important note is that you want to deposit at least $600 or $700 into the Bitcoin of the Cloud Token wallet, because you are not going to be rewarded from the rewards program if the value in terms of US dollars of what you put into Jarvis is less than $500. So let's say you deposited exactly $500 in Bitcoin and Bitcoin falls. Bitcoin is volatile. It can be down 5% or 10% in one day sometimes, okay? And you can end up being in a situation where you have less than $500 in Jarvis. So to prevent this from happening, either deposit USDT ERC 20, and then it will be always be the same, let's say $600, okay? You'll not worry about fluctuation, but you'll also can miss the price increase of Bitcoin. Like this is up to the 4.5%. Okay, or you simply deposit in Bitcoin an amount equals to, let's say, $800 or $1,000, so you'll be on the safe side. Now we have people that deposited into Cloud Token, you know, $5,000 and $10,000 and even $100,000. The maximum limit right now for each coin type, let's say Bitcoin, is $50,000 for Bitcoin, $50,000. $50,000 for Ethereum, $50,000 for Litecoin, etc. So you can put, you know, even 100,000 or 200,000, but for 50,000 for each of the coin types. So go ahead and do it right now and transfer Bitcoin into the Cloud Token wallet, or transfer Ethereum into the Cloud Token wallet. Those are the most popular choices that people choose, or transfer USDT. Okay, one of these three, that's what I recommend. Now, if you do it in Bitcoin, after a certain number of confirmations on the blockchain, you will see it on here. Now you can click on this little rectangle with an arrow, and you can actually see it on the blockchain. You will see the incoming transaction. All right. Okay, now that you receive the Bitcoin into your Bitcoin wallet of Cloud Token, and you will see it as received right here, you want to deposit that Bitcoin into the project Jarvis. And to do that, you simply click on project right here and click on Jarvis AI. Okay, you can read a little bit about this, and I agree to terms of service and privacy policy, and click on projects. And here you will choose Bitcoin in our case, or other coin. Let's say you deposited USDT, you will choose USDT obviously. You'll click on BTC in this case. It will show you the balance, how much is available for you to deposit. You'll simply click on max and then proceed. Okay, max, and it will take a little bit of fee, and then proceed. And then the participation request has been submitted. Please wait patiently. You'll go to the transaction history, and you will see here that this is processing over here. Now you will see over here that the Bitcoin is going to move to the project Jarvis. Okay, you will see it as pending, join, and once the pending is going to disappear, you know that Bitcoin will be deposited into the Jarvis. So after a while, a couple of hours, you should see in the Jarvis AI in the BTC the amount that you have deposited, like I have in this first account that I have. It will show the date, in this case April 12th or July 19th. You know, it will show the date of you join the Jarvis, and up to 48 hours from joining Jarvis, you should see the Cloud Token rewards being paid out. You will see like this, rewards. Okay, and you should see it after about 48 hours since activating the Jarvis. Okay, so as you can see, after a while, a couple hours, the pending disappears and you see only join, which means the Bitcoin is now sitting in the project Jarvis, and you can go to projects and Jarvis AI and you can see the Bitcoin is deposited there, and you can see the date as well, 21st of July, and the value approximately in USDT, which means that it's already started to go to the main pool and distribute it to the exchanges, and within 24 to 48 hours you're going to start to see the first rewards in CTO coin. All right, now that you activated the Jarvis AI project inside the Cloud Token and you have your Bitcoin or your Ethereum trading for you and generate you new Cloud Token rewards on a daily basis, this is an example of one of my accounts that I started on April 12, 2019. I want to share with you how to use the Cloud Token wallet. Okay, now you need to understand that the current version that I'm using is 1.9.6, and you can see it right here, and it's going to get updated to newest versions in the upcoming month with a new user interface. Okay, so if you're watching this video later on, sorry about that, but you know, we're going to integrate a lot of cool new features like the e-commerce option where you can spend the CTO, the Cloud tokens, you know, and buy flight tickets and car rentals at discounts of 10 to 20% discounts, or hotels, or you know, restaurants, and all kinds of deals that you can be able to get as a Cloud Token member. And also you'll be able to top up the debit card and convert the Cloud tokens into dollars and withdraw the money from the ATM machine, or buy anything you want online or offline. Okay, so you will start to see after 24 to 48 hours rewards in Cloud Token. You will see it just like this. It will go as rewards. Okay, and as you progress through the rewards program, you can see the group return. This is a bonus that you'll be getting, you know, depending on your rank. There is C1, C2, up to C5 ranks, and every rank is going to give you an extra bonus in the Cloud tokens. And here, this is the share rewards. As you start to share the opportunity of Cloud Token with other people with your referral code and activate the project of Jarvis inside the app, you're going to start getting rewards of Cloud Tokens on that. Okay, so here you can see the transaction history. This is all kinds of transactions that you have been doing with Cloud Token. Okay, here you can see check app for update for the latest version. Here's the FAQ. You can read some frequently asked questions. Okay, here's the settings. You can change the login pin, payment pin, set up your language, card login. This is binding the card to the Cloud Token. Here you can deactivate or activate the Google Authenticator, and here you can see your mnemonic phrase. All right, now on rewards, this is where you can see how much rewards you are getting from Cloud Token. The share rewards, the group return, and the rewards. Okay, and again, differences, rewards you're getting on your own money inside the project of Jarvis. Okay, the group return is for the ranks C1, C2, C3, etc., and the share returns is for your network. All right, according to the rewards program. Now on levels, you can see my performance and my partners. Now performance is going to show you the total group amount that you have. Now on this current account, I reached the C2 rank, which gives me an extra about 0.8 to 1% a month on the total group volume as a bonus of C2, and you see it as a group return. And you know, this is where you're going to see the total group amount of each of your direct members. And my partners, you're going to see how much they personally deposited and the details of their login ID, their accounts. You can see it all right there. Okay, then you know, study the rewards program. We have it all on this website, on our team site. Okay, it's basically goes like this. On the first level that you refer personally, you're going to get 100% matching bonus. On the second level, you're getting 50% matching bonus on whatever they're earning in cloud tokens, and on the third to 21st level, you're going to get 5% matching bonus if you qualify to unlock those levels. Okay, just refer to understand fully the compensation plan inside the system, how it all works. All right, now the cloud tokens you can transfer, you can send them, and this is coming soon, or you can convert them into Ethereum right now. So let's say that you want to convert 10,000 CTO, it will be about 20.33 Ethereum. We're going to pay 0.5% fee for that. Okay, now if you want to transfer, you can transfer cloud tokens from one account to another account. All right, and also if you want to leave the project of Jarvis, you're going to pay 10% penalty fee if it's within the first 30 days of getting started, and if it's after 30 days, you're going to pay a certain amount of fee, about 1%, like that. And when you withdraw from the wallet, you're also going to pay about 0.5% fee. Okay. Now here on order history, you can actually see, and this is on Android, you can see some of the live trades connected through the API to one of the exchanges. Again, in the future versions of the app, you'll see transparently how much profits they made, the cloud tokens in circulations, the withdrawal rate, and all kind of stuff like that. You'll be able to get feedback, any question, any problem you have with your account directly to the company for support. All right, so this is essentially how you get started with Cloud Token. Now, I want to wish you great success with Cloud Token and to accumulate as many of those CTOs as possibly you can and start using them, spending them, and living the lifestyle that you want with the Cloud Token project.